So halfway down the gastrointestinal tract, most of the nutrients should be absorbed. When the contents come into the large intestine, they come in through, again, a double-layered valve called the ileocecal valve, because we don't want anything to go backwards. Notice the appendix. Did you know that God didn't make a mistake? The appendix is a very important part of the gastrointestinal tract. It has two main roles. It's called the colon's oil can because it lubricates the contents as it moves through the large intestine. It also releases antibacterial fluid in case what's coming out of the small intestine is toxic. Why would it be toxic? You see, dogs have a gastrointestinal tract that is 1 meter long. Ours is 8 meters long.